Hello. Kumusta? Thank you. Salamat. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Good night. Magandang gabi. See you later. Kita tayo mamaya. Goodbye. Paalam na. What is your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? How are you? Kumusta ka? Do you speak English? Nagsasalita ka ba ng Ingles? I don't speak Tagalog. Hindi ako marunong magtagalog. I don't understand. Hindi ko maintindihan. Please speak slowly. Mangyaring magsalita ng dahan-dahan. Please say it again. Pakisabi ulit. Where are the restroom? Saan ang mga palikuran? How do I get to the market? Paano ako makakarating sa palengke? Straight ahead. Diretso sa unahan. How much is this? Magkano ito? It's too expensive. Masyadong mahal. I'm hungry. Nagugutom ako. What time is it? Anong oras na? One moment, please. Sandali lang. I'm sorry. Paumanhin. Please forgive me. Pasensya na po. Please. Pakiusap. Help me, please. Tulungan mo ako. Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Where are you from? Taga saan ka? What is your job? Anong trabaho mo? Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. How old are you? Ilang taon ka na? Are you married? May asawa ka na ba? Who is he, she? Sino siya? Why? Bakit? May I ask a question? Pwede bang magtanong? Do you understand? Naintindihan mo ba? Is it far? Malayo ba? It's nearby. Malapit lang. I'm thirsty. Nauuhaw ako. Let's eat. Kain tayo. I'm full. Busog na ako. One more, please. Isa pa nga. Do you have... Meron ba kayong... Can I haggle? Pwede bang tumawad? Just this one. Ito na lang. I like this. Gusto ko ito. What size is this? Anong size ito? Can I try it on? Pwede bang isukat? Where is the payment counter? Saan ang bayaran? When are you leaving? Kailan ka aalis? Take care. Ingat ka. You can do it! Kaya mo yan.